Hi, my name is Claire, and I go to Andrew Carnegie Middle School, and the name of my video is how to make yummy, cheesy eggs. In my video, I instruct people on how to make a special egg recipe that my dad taught me when I was younger. And I just wanted my viewers to learn a special recipe that is certainly unique in its own way. While making the video, I constructed the video the same way I was taught by my dad how to do it. He would lay out ingredient by ingredient and explain what exactly it did for the flavor. Hi everyone, my name is Claire, and today I'm going to be teaching you an egg recipe. This egg recipe is special to me because it's the recipe my dad taught me when I was a kid, and I'd always complain about how eggs were like tasteless and bland, but he helped change that for me, so I hope I can change that for you guys as well. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make yummy, cheesy eggs. Our first ingredient is 1 egg. Surprising, right? Our second ingredient is 1/3 to 2/3 cups of shredded cheese. The more of a cheese lover you are, the more cheese you should put in. Our third ingredient is a teaspoon of mushroom seasoning. This will definitely enhance the flavor of your eggs. Lastly, our fourth ingredient is a teaspoon of fish sauce. This will give the perfect savory taste bland eggs are always missing. Just make sure not to put in any more than a teaspoon, as the sauce is incredibly salty. Once you have all your ingredients laid out in front of you, go ahead and grab a bowl so you can stir together your cracked egg, your mushroom seasoning, and your fish sauce. Once those 3 ingredients are in your bowl, go ahead and mix it for a minute. Once you're done mixing, it's time to get cooking. Put a pan on the stove and set the stove to about a medium heat. I usually do around a 5. Then pour about a 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan. I don't need an exact measuring spoon to do this, but if you do, feel free to grab it. Once you got all your oil in the pan, spread the oil around and then let it sit for a couple minutes. After those couple of minutes, pour your mixture into the pan and prepare to stir. While stirring, you can begin to add your shredded cheese to the pan. Simply put some on and mix it in. After a couple minutes of having your eggs on the stove, turn the stove off and voila, you're done. Grab a plate and eat. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about this recipe, and hopefully it makes your eggs in the future a bit more excellent.